Hey drone dreamers! The DJI Neo 2 was officially announced in China on 30th October 2025. According to reports, the global rollout is expected around mid-November. The Neo 2 keeps that iconic, travel-friendly, palm-sized magic compact design and featherlight 135-gram weight as the original, so it slips in your pocket. Redesigned for a whisper-quiet flight, 20% less noise than the original's Neo, perfect for urban shoots without the neighbor complaints. It flies up to 10-kilometer range with your existing DJI remotes, but only fly up to 500 meters with Wi-Fi only connection. This drone pairs seamlessly with your old gear. This is the perfect gear for creators who don't want to lug a pro drone. This could be very interesting. The original Neo's 1x2-inch 12-megapixel sensor nailed 4K by 30 FPS basics with rock-steady EIS, but it jittered in wind and washed out low-light scenes. Enter Neo 2's Beast Mode 1x1.3-inch CMOS-like Mini 5 Pro, cranking 4K by 60 FPS with 10-bit HDR and 13.5 stop dynamic range for those creamy skies and shadow details, plus D-Log-M for pro editing flex. The real magic, a 2-axis mechanical gimbal for buttery smooth pans and locks even at 20 meters per second speeds. AI tracking 2.0 with LiDAR nails subjects like your hiking buddy or pup, 30% more accurate, no drift. And storage doubled to 49 GB for hours of footage. If you're a vlogger, this turns casual clips into scroll stoppers. Flight fans hold tight, endurance and smarts just got epic. The original Neo's 1435 mAh battery clocked 18 minutes and handled 8 meters per second winds like a champ, but returns were vision only and range topped at 10 kilometers with add-ons. Neo 2's pumped up 1606 mAh pack delivers 19 minutes of pure airtime, that's 5% more for those extended golden hour hunts, and laughs off 10.7 meters per second or 24 miles per hour gusts with upgraded motors. Max follow speed zips to 12 meters per second or 27 miles per hour to keep pace with your bike or run. Safety shines with forward, backward, upward cameras, plus that LiDAR for omnidirectional avoidance, auto brakes at 0.5 meters, and smart returns via rear sensors for foolproof homecomings even in low light. Original was solid for indoors, this is outdoor adventure ready. The Neo 2 turns easy into effortless wizardry. OG Neo wowed with palm launches, voice commands and quick shots like Helix, but zero avoidance meant pilot carefully in tight spots. Neo 2 adds full suite smarts. Gesture controls, thumbs up for pics, peace for follow, AI subject lock with LiDAR precision, and new modes like riding track for action sports. Upward and rear sensors enable true auto return home, no signal drops stranding you. FPV lovers rejoice. Bolt-on transceiver links to Goggles N3 or Motion 3 for immersive 20-millisecond latency flights just like the original. It's beginner-proof with pro polish, safer, faster, and way more fun.
Official China pricing dropped yesterday. Base Neo 2 drone plus battery at about $229 USD, a friendly $30 bump from the original Neo at $199 for these upgrades. Fly More combo, extra batteries, hub, and RCM3 hits $429. Motion Fly More with goggles adapter, $599 for the full FPV kit. Extra Shine, intelligent battery $89, up from the original Neo's $45, two-way hub $55, silent props $27, guards $34, and care refresh plans $19 per year or $33 for 2 years for crash coverage. Launch, China now, Europe November 13th, US, FCC approved but regs might delay. Grab the discounted original Neo at $159 while you wait. Bundles make it a steal for creators. If you're a travel vlogger, content creator, or just someone who wants a capable aerial camera without hauling a full pro drone suitcase, the Neo 2 is worth strong consideration. On the other hand, if you're a professional aerial filmmaker needing full 3-axis gimbal, interchangeable lenses, ultra-long flight time, or maximal range, there are bigger drones that serve that use case. Thanks for watching this first look at DJI Neo 2. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when full review footage, sample flights, and comparisons drop. Until next time, clear skies, safe landings, and amazing aerial content.